Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're wondering if it's possible to have a pair of dress pants or work pants that feel like yoga pants, well, I'm here to tell you it totally is. These pants are from Yogipace and they are the XX large in the blue. A few things that make these stand out is the fact that they have functional pockets. So just like a pair of dress pants, work pants, or jeans, you've got two functional pockets in the front and two in the back. It does not have a fly or anything like that, but it has kind of a faux flap where it looks like it has a fly and a button that is not functional. So it definitely gives the look of pants, but stretchy, soft, buttery yoga pant material that fits like a glove and is so comfortable. So you could go right from the office, right to yoga if you wanted to in these pants. I have them in a wide leg bottom, which I find very flattering for me. My inseam is 29 inches and these work perfectly with flats or with a pair of sneakers, so extremely versatile. I love also the fact that it has belt loops. So if you wanted to really dress this up and wear a belt with them, you totally could. You can now wear your comfy pants anywhere you go, whether you're going out to work, whether you're going to pick up the kids somewhere, whether you want to run errands and do your yoga and then go out to dinner with your friends. You have the perfect pair of pants. They wash and dry well and they look fantastic. But absolutely the most important thing to me is they feel great. They have been so comfortable. You definitely need a pair of these, and that is my point of view.